Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. I'm Paul J from Crypto Traders Arena, and you are watching the Daily Crypto Plan. Let's plan the market. Bitcoin on CME on daily. You can see we have the short reload zone. We are fighting the short reload zone. A lot of people are trying to short here, and I get it. But market is strong, people. As I said it multiple times, market is strong. I hope we have sound. I hope we have image. Morning, Darren. Morning, Dave, Bova, Laure, Andrei, Catalin, Ivan, Pip, Ricky. Someone please tell me if we have everything we need to do a proper live stream. Until then, I'll still blab away about Bitcoin. Okay, so you can see on CME we have one gap, we have two gaps. We can push higher and create another one? Yes. We can test the all-time high? Of course. We can push even higher? Yes. Well, when you see banks allowed to buy Bitcoin, banks allowed to buy and sell crypto, what do you expect? Expect market to dump? No. You saw that they opened the gates, and you have to understand, people, that banks are run by people. People get FOMO. Simple. Usually the banks and the big money, they'll buy down markets. They'll buy before, like BlackRock. They bought a lot earlier. They are still buying, but they have the power and they have the knowledge to sell a lot higher. If they want, they could push the market a lot higher to sell the top and then to dump on people. They can do that. For the moment here, we accepted above 100k. We closed above. We retested 2 times. You can see 1, 2 retests. We are attacking again 110. It's possible, even probable from now on to push higher? Yes. We should chase the market here in the short reload zone. On daily chart, for example. No. If we are bullish or we are thinking the market will go in the exponential phase, which is possible, even probable, you can go on lower time frame, yeah, and trade it. You can, for example, take 4-hour chart and try to play some, I don't know, AB equals CD setups, or even lower time frame and try to play with Holy Grail. But to buy on spot, to trade on daily, on higher time frame, I don't see it. For example, here, if you take this trade, if you enter here, where you should put your stop loss properly? Here, all the way down here. Well, that's a $9,000 window of risk. You want to take that? To get 1-to-1, the market has to move to 120. You want that? No. So if you really want to trade and you think the market is bullish, okay, go on lower time frame. Couple one people know how to swing trade. Yeah, the day traders know how to day trade. You can go even below 1 hour and try to find some nice setups, and let's make some money. Idea is not to chase the market here, not to chase Bitcoin on daily. If you didn't buy Bitcoin when we said that below 20k, you didn't buy at 50k, you didn't buy at 100k, you buy at 110. Well, good luck. In a short reload zone, for me, it's hard to even think about buying here. Playing lower time frame setups all day long. What is next? Probably we need to take the liquidity here. You can see some liquidity here at 110, 11, maybe the all-time high. That's why on lower time frame, even in the report card I made in the morning, I said that I'm playing the SFUs. If the market will go and take that level and then I'll reclaim below, I'll play a short. Morning, Andre. Morning, Robert. So I'll play the short ideas on lower time frame, because an SFU setup is not, that doesn't mean the market will go straight down or will go down too much. No, we'll take the liquidity, we'll go back down, you'll make a 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 5 to 1, depending how much you can make, and then the market will probably reclaim and take that level again. But you made your money, you had an advantage, and now you are waiting for the next setup. So here, yesterday, indecision candle. Indecision doesn't mean bearish. Today, you can see, we took the yesterday low. We can take the yesterday high also. I think we can. Conclusion, market strong. That's my conclusion here. Hedge, well, we still have the hedge. One from here, still active. One from here. Some people move the stop loss at scratch and they hit the stop loss. Some people still have it. It's up to you. When to hedge again? 109.5, 110 when you see a 3-bar fractal, or you can hedge directly at 112 at the SFU level if you see a proper I don't know, reclaim back below. So I'll give you an example. The market, let's say, will come here 112, will close a daily basis, will close above that level, and then the next day will close back below. That's your entry. Okay? If you see the market pushing higher and higher on daily close, you will not close below. Well, don't do anything. Just enjoy the show, because probably most of us have a lot of altcoin bags. Okay, let's take a look at Ethereum a little bit. I need to zoom out. I need to show you the big range here. Yeah, we are at 2,500. We are attacking that level. I told you multiple times, don't even try to trade that level. You can see what happened in the past. Yeah, if you want to see it better, go on 4-hour chart and you'll see it even better. But even on daily, look at what is here. Fuckery. Who wants to play in a fuckery like this? Nobody. We are here to make money, people. We are not here to open trades and have emotions. When I have the probability that the market at this level will behave like this, up and down, and stop me out, I want to open a position there? No. That's for sure. We almost test 61.8. We can test the AB equals CD. Now the AB equals CD is not from this level, it's something like this, which makes more sense. You can see AB down CD, 3,100 kind of idea, SFU of this high. And then we are getting in the short reload zone and we have to reassess. Oh, good morning, Mr. Stefan. Okay, so that's Ethereum. Now, Bitcoin, Ethereum, let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance, which is an ugly motherfucker. Look at it. It's making new highs. It's trying to attack 78.6. A lot of people are saying, and I'm not saying that is not true. A lot of people are saying that this one needs to do something like this. A big fucking wick and back below. So that will be the signal that Bitcoin dominance is topping out. I think it's doable. I think it's probable even. But even thinking that idea, what is my approach to that idea? I should wait, expect, be patient and wait for that scenario to happen and then to enter? Or I should keep dollar cost averaging on altcoins? Yeah? People, this is not the cause of the market. This is the reading of the market. This is something that is telling you the market is going in right or left. You can read the market. This is nothing else than reading the market. And if you know how to read really well, you can take an advantage. Don't think that Bitcoin dominates is anything else. No, you compare Bitcoin and altcoins, and you put a chart on it, and when you see daily M's, for example, you know, well, okay, probability of going lower is bigger on dominance. That means altcoins will probably outperform. Yeah, but dominance and divergence, SAL, nah. Doing too much TA on dominance, you'll learn that is not the best approach. Yeah, it's working sometimes, but you really want to do it, you want to keep simple. You want to see the structure. If you see daily M's, you know that, well, we probably have a double top and we can reverse. If you see a candle like I showed you, a blow off top candle, you know, well, that it's a signal usually that the market topped out and now will have to go down. Doing TA, and it's possible. I'm not saying it's wrong, don't get me wrong, but not too valuable in my opinion. I'm doing it sometimes just for fun, but go and backtest and you'll see. Okay, so that's Bitcoin dominance. Now we cannot have an M here because we have a higher high. Either we push higher and we form kind of a head and shoulder pattern, either we go and do the blow off top. Who knows? We'll see. But people, imagine for a blow off top in these conditions where let's say that altcoins already they are running out of sellers. What is the scenario? Let's think about it just for a brief second. What is the most probable scenario to think of a blow off top on Bitcoin dominance? Is to Bitcoin to dump and altcoins to dump more? I think we saw that doesn't work anymore. A lot of altcoins, they don't have any sellers anymore. So what's the other scenario? Well, the other scenario is like Bitcoin to pump like crazy and altcoins to be left behind for a couple of days or one day. I think that's the scenario we should expect. If Bitcoin will pump like crazy, dominance will go up, altcoins will stay flat against dollar, will dump against Bitcoin, and then after Bitcoin is finishing the pump and is recovering or is staying flat, then altcoins start outperform, and then you see the wick. Then the wick will be formed. So initially we'll have a full candle, then when the altcoins will recover, we'll have a wick, and that's our blow off top on Bitcoin dominance. So that's my thinking, that's my scenario. Yeah, it's possible for Bitcoin dominance to do something like this, but in this scenario. Just think about it. What do you say, Stefan? It's plausible what I'm saying? Okay, dominance. Here now let's take a look at Ethereum versus Bitcoin. All over the place, people, all over the place. We managed to, not to predict, to see this pattern here, because nothing to predict. We see the pattern, we saw the exponential move up. I said that it's dangerous, it's going sideways. You can see we retested it a little bit. We kind of increased the volatility. We have resistance above, but we are not in the long reload zone. So the best solution is to just leave it alone. Let's see what will happen. If the market will take the highs, then we know. Ethereum, it's outperforming. If the market will go back in the long reload zone, then we'll know maybe it's time to hunt a W. Until then, nothing. Until then, we'll wait. And a lot of people don't know that. Being a trader, a real trader, a profitable trader, a consistently profitable trader means that 90% of the time you'll sit on the sidelines waiting for an entry, waiting for a setup. People, here in Crypto Traders Arena, me and Stefan and all the other gladiators, is not about moon boys. It's not about how to get rich in 1 month. Here is about the real process. How to get the skill to become, I don't know, financially free or financially independent. A lot of people don't know what that means. Yeah? It's not about getting rich. I'm a family guy, working for my family, trying to live my best life. It's not about Lambo. It's not about I don't know, islands and things like that. We are joking, but honestly, I don't know. Hopefully, more of you have the same kind of thinking. I'm doing my best for me and my family. I learned this skill to, I don't know, protect myself from what is around me. You can see if you go on 9 to 5 and someone, your boss is saying go home, well, you are broke. If you are trying to do something else and it's not working, well, you're gone. It's hard, especially when you have a family. If you are a trader, all you need is a computer, internet connection, access to a platform, and a lot of skills. Yeah? And then you can go, you are not a tree anymore, you can go from here to there, and you can work and you can make money and you can take care of your family. Or take care of you if you don't have a family. But Crypto Traders Arena is not about moon boys. I hate when I see moon boy attitude in general chat or anywhere else. If you can relate with me, the family guy that is working his ass off, I'm really consistent and I'm trying to teach other people how to do it like me, okay. If you are a moon boy, there are better communities, better platforms out there to enjoy the moon boy thinking. Not here. That was my rant for today, people. So if you want to join us and be like us, well, we have Capo 1. Or even Capo 2 if you are good enough. But I suggest to start with Capo 1 and learn in time, with a process, in 4 months, in 1 year, to learn a new skill that will keep you out of the trouble. Because most of you people, they made a lot of studies. Most of us, they don't want to be rich. They just don't want to have that I don't know, to worry about money. We don't want too much money in general, including me. We just want to break free from that worry about money. Someone, please confirm or say, Paul, you are talking shit and we want Lambo. Okay, let's go back on the charts. So here we don't do anything. We wait for something. Take the highs. Okay, we know Ethereum is outperforming. Take the lows. Sorry, not taking the lows. Coming back in the long reload zone and making a W here, something like this. Then okay, we can long here. Breakout or retest, that's a different story. Okay, the next one. Ethereum, Bitcoin. Let's take a look at ES, people. A stupid trader, I don't know if you know him, but a stupid trader told you from Monday, even Tuesday, that this week, at least, we'll take this high. And look at the market. Was pretty obvious. The market was in the short reload zone here, which is not valid anymore. I have to delete it because we took the high. But the market was strong. And I said, well, don't short it because it's strong. Don't go and hunt long ideas. It's dangerous, in my opinion, but don't short because it's strong. Look at it. We took the high on ES and we closed above. It's possible to be a fake out, and let's say we'll do a blow off top here, big week, and then we'll close back below this level. It's possible. It's more profitable to think real breakout or fake out. Well, statistically, it's better for us to think fake out. Yeah? But even if I'm thinking fake out, okay, I'm thinking fake out, I have my probabilities, I'm a range player, but I don't have a setup. I'm not going to market shorting here. No, I wait for a reclaim back below the all-time high, and that's confirming my range thinking, my fake out scenario. So traditional people, traditional traders, yeah, people who trade the traditional market, even if you are trying to short here, don't do it at the market because, well, you think it's a blow off top or you think it's a fake out. Wait for the setup to form and then risk your own money. it's a nice area where to hedge your portfolio if you see something. In the same time, if you look at this channel, people, we can push a lot higher. And I don't like to say I told you so, but I told you so. After a 20% retracement, it is the worst idea to be bearish. And people didn't listen. A lot of you. Not in crypto traders, in general. Yeah? They didn't listen. Well, fear will go to 4,000. People, be realistic. After a 20%, usually we'll recover. And look what happened. That's a fucking clear recovery. If I saw one. How high? Well, when the market is in the price discovery, it's in the price discovery, people. You can put some fibs on it. But nothing more. So, if I'll be a day trader, I'll go on lower time frame and try to trade with Holy Grail, to be honest. Stay with the trend. The trend is up, is strong. Okay. If I want to hedge, then I'll wait for a reclaim back below and I'll could trade that. Morning, Manas. Morning, Dave. Morning, Sebastian. Well, guys, you missed my rant about trading. Sorry. So that's, yes, strong, really strong. And you saw, yesterday we are discussing in the New York session, I said, well, people, wait for Trump to post something, to move the fucking market. It's almost end of the week. It's like a clock. And a couple of hours later, Trump said, well, yesterday, 2 days ago, we signed an agreement with China. And you saw what happened. Crypto is not impressed. Bitcoin is not impressed about Trump deal, but the traditional market are reacting, people. Okay. By the way, I made a public video today. So if you want to push the like, if you want to share the link with your friends, you can do that. When it's unlisted, it's only for insiders. But today it's a public video, so you can hit that like. Okay, that's yes. Let's take a look at gold. Hopefully you didn't FOMO in. I said it multiple times. I'll say it again. I see a fucking range here. Don't FOMO buy gold. It is what it is, people. Either you get it, how the market works, or you don't. People are saying, well, but the market is strong. The gold should pump, but gold is this. It's a risk off. Yeah, it is, people. It is. But look back and see where we started from COVID low, where we are now. Keep in mind the market cap of gold. Who the fuck you think moved the market up, anticipating the wars and everything? Yeah, we pumped a lot. We can push another round. Yeah, it's probable, but the risk reward is not there anymore as position trader, as an investor. I'll say it and I'll say it again. This is the worst moment to be an investor in gold. I have a lot of friends in real life asking me, I should buy some gold. No, you should not touch gold now. They'll listen? No. They'll go and buy gold coins, gold, and all the gold they can at the top. But that's the way the top is formed. Everyone buys, nobody left to buy, so the price will collapse. Then when the price is collapsing, some fearful people will sell and push the price even lower, and then a cascade will come, and that's how the market is dumping. And then when everything is settled down in months and years, emotions go down, we form a bottom, and we do it again. But now is the worst moment possible. You think someone that is buying gold at 3,500 will sell gold at 4,000, even if it will reach 4,000? No, higher. If we'll reach, for example, 4,500, you think they'll sell? No, higher. Gold bug, I'm the best. And when the market is collapsing $2,000 in 2 weeks, what do you think will do? Yeah, Sebastian. Yeah, exactly. A big party at $10,000 in 10,000 years, or 100 years, or 10 years. At 10K, they will do a party and they'll tell everyone, well, people, I love that you invest in gold. Okay, BlackRock will do that, Sebastian, and we'll say, well, we reached 10,000 now. Everyone from the public, please sell. We'll hold the bags. We'll hold. You can sell on us, and that's it. That's the party. See you next round. Exactly the way it will happen. Huh? So just imagine that. I'm joking, people. Okay. Total market cap. Yeah. Short reload zone. I want to see these highs taking out. I want to see this all-time high. I want to see a close above on daily, on weekly, and then we know. Will happen? Of course will happen. Most probably will happen. But I'm not a financial advisor to tell you what to do with your money. But I put my money on my opinions, on my view about the market. I made some plans and I'm buying. Total 3. 1, 2, 3. Ranging for the moment. I want to see W's, clear W's. I want to see strength here. Not the case for the moment. Time will come. But when we'll see strength and when we'll see all-time highs and when we'll see total market cap above 1 trillion, people, will be a bit late for investors. That's my 2 cents. Yeah, you can still join, but you join in the middle of the party, you missed a big chunk of the juice, or the meat, and the chances are bigger to buy the top. You want to be that guy, or you want to be the guy that is patiently waiting, dollar cost averaging at the bottom, and he knows if and when the market will pump, he will be able to take the most part of the meat. Even if you will not sell the top, if you are buying early enough and low enough, you can afford, people. That's a good and really nice thing to have on you, to be able to sell before the top and still be happy about it. If you are in the middle of the road, you'll have to pinpoint the top and tell me from last experience how easy it is to pinpoint the top. Yeah. So people, they want to make money, but they don't want to buy bottoms. They want to jump in the middle of the road and then to make a lot of profit. Is not something off in what I'm saying here? So if you want to make a lot of money, a lot of profit, you have to kind of buy the bottom and compensate with patience and wait and wait. When the market is pumping, let's say you invest in crypto and altcoins and you want a 5x. When you reach your 5x, you'll say, well, fuck it, I reached my target. Now I have a good decision to make. It's a problem, but it's a good problem to have. I'll sell here or hope for more and wait for more. But you are already in a good position, really good one, and other people are still deciding if to enter or not to enter in the market. That's a big difference, a lot of difference. We have the last chance challenge on premium. The plan is there, the spreadsheet is there. We have the road to financial freedom, which is free for everyone. If you don't like the coins, I get it. Some people say, well, I don't like your coins, they're old and maybe they'll not pump. Maybe. Take the spreadsheet, put your coins there. You have even a tutorial how to use the spreadsheet to automatically take your prices every day from CoinMarketCap for free. By the way, to know, it's a subscription to get that on CoinMarketCap. But our way doesn't necessitate a subscription. You just do exactly what you are told, and you'll see that you can update the prices every day. 50 coins, 100 coins, not a problem. And you can refresh even more than once a day. Okay, that's total 3. Altcoins, shitcoins here. Well, people, shitcoins, you can see. For example, we have one. We had a trade here, we got stop loss hit, then I took this W and look at me. I'm really happy. I'll take the profit off here. Nah, I'm greedy. I'll take it here. When will happen? I'm risk free. But you get the idea. A lot of coins at some point in time, sooner than later, will look like this. Hey, what the fuck happened with my... Oh, okay. Yeah, will look like this. Will go here in the short reload zone. And will be even more... you'll see more strength. Will be a bit late for a guy like me to enter. When the market is... I don't know. Just imagine how high this one could go. When the market will come here, I'll think about selling. Well, let's take some profit off. Other people are thinking when to enter, and I'm already, well, made my money. Really profitable. Okay. Shitcoins overall, they are forming the bottom, people. Don't think anything else. Forming the bottom. Forming the bottom. Forming the bottom. You can see, you can have a power of 3 here. Something nice to happen. Be patient, hunt. Look at it. This could be a really nice power of 3. If you know how to play it. E-gold. Look at it. Forming the bottom. Give me W's. Give me $10. Up to you in your approach. ENA. Look at it. Retesting initial W. Power of 3 from this level. Forming the bottom. Long reload zone. Maybe you can see it's retesting the initial W, which was a nice one. It's worth your time and effort to hunt W's here? Or W like this? Please tell me. Yeah, I think it's a good idea to be patient and wait a W like this. Take the entry here, stop loss there, and look at the result. Mana. I'm still waiting for Mana. Give me some W's. It's in my buying area. Made nice money last cycle with Mana. And Mana did exactly like we'll probably do again. Didn't pump, didn't pump, didn't pump. Range, 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 explosion. Probably will be the same. Mavia, trying to form kind of a bottom here. Pierre, below $1, trying to form a bottom. Ren, similar, trying to form a bottom. I could go on the entire fucking list here. The entire list is looking similar. But I think it's up to you. What coins you like, where you want to invest, how much money. I'm not a financial advisor here. Just a stupid trader with a stupid stupid trader approach. I don't know how to say it in English better. With a good plan, just making money in the market. If you like to be like me, to have the stupid trader approach and make money like a stupid trader, well, then you should join Capo One. That's my way to teach people how to trade like me. Yeah? I did it with Stefan. I forced Stefan to start with $100. Now Stefan could say all day long, well, I started with $100 and I'm on my road to get, I don't know, financially free. Yeah? Starting with $100. How many people you know that could say the same thing? How many people? You know? Any? I don't. Was easy? No. Ask Stefan, he'll tell you how hard it was. But what Stefan demonstrated, once again, is that it's possible. Huh? He demonstrated that it's possible. Yeah, I know also one who restarted the trading part with $100. Yeah, but it's not about me, it's about you, Stefan. You did it publicly. That's the difference. I did it by myself, on my desk, with my emotions, with my journal. I did it first time. I learned it. I made a process around it. And then I put you to work. So you did it publicly in a community. Everyone seeing you evolving. Yeah, all members in Crypto Traders Arena, which they know you from the beginning. They know they know you from the moment you ask about what it's a stop loss. So, or what is a risk management or something like that. Yeah. We have people like Tolga, we have people like, I don't know, Kevin and other people that they know you from the beginning. So someone could say, yeah, I know that guy from the beginning. 3 years ago, he was trying to do something, wasn't able to trade, and now is teaching me lessons. Yeah, Shogun. Another one. That is public. You can tell that story all day long, and people will tell you, yeah, it's true. I did it, but I did it by myself without being public about it. And I did it after I did a stupid thing. I had to recover. I had the drive, but that's a different story. Okay, that's the shitcoin, people. This is my message, and my message will be the same until we'll exit from this range on altcoins. Altcoins are forming the bottom. Is the best moment to dollar cost average and buy them. Simple. Okay, let's go on lower time frame. It's late, and let's go and see what we have on Bitcoin, for example. Well, Bitcoin is strong, people. I said it multiple times. I'm waiting for this level. You can see we had this level, 106, 400, 800 kind of idea. I said that it's a point of interest for me. You can see we attacked it, we pushed above it, and we took it as a support. Now, the next one is 109, 900. Let's see what will happen. Market is strong here. It's in a short reload zone. I get it. We even had this EM here, the general setup. We waited for a breakdown. We traded the retest. So we are in a short idea. I said it, not too much confidence. I see the setup. It's clear. It's there. But I also see the strength of the market. I took the setup. We should be risk-free because we accepted more than 1-to-1. You can see we have more than 1 hour here. But I'll do anything else for the moment? No. It's kind of ugly. ES is damn strong. Bitcoin is lagging. I have a short which should be risk-free, but is not because I was in the middle of the night and I didn't make it risk-free, so I'll take the loss. I want to open anything else? No. Someone said 3 drives here. You can frame a setup around here. Okay, maybe. It's possible. I'm not saying it is. But this pattern here, people, is not bearish. You can see it. It is not bearish at all. This is actually too strong. Anyway. So I'm short and I'm saying the market is strong. But that's the situation for the moment. Okay, so Bitcoin, nothing to do. Ethereum, 2,500, ugly. See a W the other side of the trend line and you can attempt a long here. It's not the first W the other side. Will be probably the first W completely the other side because we had something here. If you see, and let's assume that the market will behave nicely, which I don't see it on Ethereum, but anyway, we can hope. A W the other side, and you can long, or you can go long with Holy Grail, for example. Solana, let's put 4-hour chart. Like I said, W the other side, but actually Solana loves to kiss this trend line. Nothing I can do. Tao, we discussed. I told you so. Stefan told you so. No, people, we told you that it's not a good idea to chase Tao. Nothing special there. Nothing against Tao. Just that the chart is telling us that not the best. Look at this, yeah. Look at the price action. Just if you are a beginner and you know only, I don't know, basic market structure, you will say, well, high, low, lower, high, lower, low. That's a downtrend. No, thank you. Downtrend with a double top. No. So wait in the long reload zone, wait lower. We'll probably have enough chances to buy Tao and make some money. But not now. TIA. Well, TIA is fighting, is trying, but small unlocks, you know the drill. Long reload zone here. If you see a double, you can take it. Could TIA go to $1? Of course he can. Below? Yes, of course he can. Will pump at some point in time? Of course he will. When? We don't know. But when everything will pump, TIA will pump also. I'm hoping for $100 on TIA. Nah. I'll be, if TIA will reach $100, I'll be long gone. Yeah, I'll be out from the market before $100. At least that's my plan. Could go to 1,000. I'll have left a moon bag maybe. Byte, similar, a bit stronger. ENA. Retesting the initial W, not bad. SSV. Trying something. Ugly M here. So probably this scenario is the best for us on SSV. Wait for the W the other side of the trend line. Why? I'm saying that. Well, we have a clear structure here, people. We have to fight a lot to get above this one. We have an M here. Put the line chart and you'll see it. And then we have a big M here. We just accept it below. So getting back here, it's no brainer for me. That's the area. 78.6 will be the area. Maybe testing the lows will be the area. Or W the other side of the trend line. So I don't want people to chase here. Hype, strong, but actually going sideways. Portal, we just touched 61.8, but I think we can go back down and make a clear W. And alt, a stupid trader told you yesterday about this fucking level. Initial W, without a retest, look at the candle, without a retest, pumping like crazy. This one needs a retest. Wyckoff check. Yeah? Do you want to learn all these things? How we can say that this will do that and this will do that? No. You can start the usual way. Capo 1, Capo 2. People that they have a lot of free time, they are even trying to do Capo 1 and Capo 2 in the same time. Is doable? Yes, I've seen people doing it. It's easy? No. It's a lot of work, people. But in the same time, we are not like classic, we are not doing in the classic way. Well, I'll give you access to a platform, you do the program, and then you're out. No, you have access to the documents years from the moment you enter. And all the live streams and everything. Yeah? Well, if someone wants to do both of them, if someone wants to go for both of them, well, DM Stefan and he can tell you. If it's possible. But please DM Stefan, don't do the payment first. Don't do the payment first. Wait for Stefan to ask you the usual questions to see if you are able. Because if you are a complete beginner, will not allow you to do Capo 1 and Capo 2 at the same time. It's not possible, people. You have to understand. We can take your money, but we are not here to take your money. We are here to teach you and be paid for it. It's a fucking big difference. And we are not asking too much money. It's dirt cheap what we are asking for the value we put. If you are a beginner, Stefan will strongly tell you, well, do Capo 1 and then do Capo 2. If you are an intermediate, you already know how to trade. You are not just quite profitable and okay, you are in that area, okay, maybe. Okay, let's go on Dex Screener. Shitcoins from Dex Screener. You can see they are lagging. They are waiting for you to buy them. Nobody wants to buy them. When they'll pump 10x, everyone will ask about Dex Screener coins and Solana coins and shitcoins and everything. Now, no. Why? We are not poor. We are not buying cheap stuff. We are wealthy. We are billionaires. We are buying the top. I'm joking. Well, select what you want. They are forming the bottom. They are in the same area like all the shitcoins. Calendar for today. Well, calendar for today is pretty basic. We have Friday. We have, before we start the live stream in the New York session, we have news. Index, month to month, income and spending. They are with high impact. Probably they are high impact. I don't know how high, but so I don't want to see anyone scalping around that area. If you are trading on 1 hour, and if you are trading on 4 hours, you don't care about this kind of news. The only news you care is interest rate. Then you should be on the sidelines. But if you are, I don't know, a scalper, you should take care of, think about all the news you get with high impact. Scalpers, all the news every day. A day trader, swing traders, big ones, like interest rate decision, or I don't know, Trump saying something really important. Twitter is twittering. You saw that Trump said that he's the best. This guy fucked us all week. You can see the price action is similar with his smile going sideways, but nothing we can do about it. Yeah? If you want to join us, you have the site in the description. You can go and see what we are offering. Don't ask me directly, well, what it's Kappa 1 about. Go and read what is Kappa 1 about. Go and read what is about in Kappa 2. Go and read what you'll learn, how much time will take, how much money you'll have to pay, what you'll have to do. And when you do that and you still have some questions, then DMing me. People, I have 24 hours like everyone else. And I'm trying to do my best with my 24 hours. Yeah? Okay. So, if you have questions, I'll stay, I don't know, 5 minutes more. If not, it's a long live stream already. Daily crypto plan should be 20 minutes, half an hour. It's already 1 hour, almost 50 minutes. Well, no questions? Nothing? Okay. Then, see you people in the New York session. Hopefully I'll be able to speak by then. I have an appointment I hate, but that's another story. I'll be in the New York session seeing hunting setups. If you are a premium member or a VIP member, you can join London session with Stefan. Stefan will look for setups. Okay? Okay. See you next time, people. Bye-bye.